Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle hub. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Goldx Ultralight MTB Hubs. Specifications: brand name Goldx, type MTB Bike Hubs, size 148 mm, number of holes 32 holes, axle boost, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub. Item number 4 is Ryet Ultralight Road Bike Hubs. Specifications: type road bike hubs, size 142 mm, axle through, free hub XDR, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, spoke hole 20 to 28, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub, hub hole number 24H, origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected MT039 MTB Mountain Bike Hub. Specifications: brand name ARC, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, spoke hole 29 to 36, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub, model number MT039, color black, body material AL6061T6, front OLD 100 mm. Item number 2 is Silverbit NGEBUT 690. Specifications: brand name NGEBUT, size 148 mm, axle boost, free hub XD, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub, hub hole number 28 holes, origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Goldx GX370 Bicycle Hub. Specifications: brand name Goldx, type MTB Bike Hubs, size 148 mm, number of holes 32 holes, axle boost, free hub HG, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.